Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi, you guys. We are back.
We're back.
What?
In the kitchen.
We're doing it.
Making a recipe.
Making a recipe.
Here we go.
What are we making today?
Stop it. Stop
All
taking me.
What are we making today?
Today we're going to be making pumpkin oatmeal chocolate chip muffins.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, and also it's fall,
Yeah.
so it's it's the
Look
season.
at all my pumpkins.
Since season of pumpkin.
That's what she said. Look at my pumpkins.
Stop it.
No, come on. I have.
Stop it.
What?
This is our first video back. You're gonna put off people.
I'm not putting off people. You guys love it. That's what she said.
That's true. It's probably
So
true.
do I.
do too.
Everybody does. What's not
Okay.
to love? Okay, what do we need?
All right, so here are the ingredients you're gonna need for the pumpkin oatmeal chocolate chip muffins. All right, so let's get started making the recipe.
Okay, one thing I want to point out to you guys. Can you see out the window you would normally see trees, but do you see all the black tarp and PVC pipe? That's because he built a haunted house in our driveway. This started last year.
It did. It started last year. We were all home and looking for something to do for Halloween, so the kids wanted to build a haunted house.
The kids wanted to build a haunted
They
house?
did. They started one to build,
Okay,
and I was like,
okay.
I don't know, but then
Now
I
we have
got
so
really-
much gear. The other day I came home, he took one of his weightlifting gloves. He had his glove on, and you're doing the grommet thing.
Yeah,
you're
because
listening to music,
my
building your haunted house.
My hands started hurting from all the zip ties and grommets. So anyway.
You should have seen the look he got at the store. He was at the hardware store, and he was like, I need more zip ties.
Yeah, actually I said I need zip ties and duct tape. So
Yeah. Oh,
I mean,
okay.
as someone who watches Dateline a lot,
Okay, but that's the haunted house. Oh, you'll put in some pictures.
it's gonna be great. It's
gonna be great.
I can't wait.
You just like scaring the crap out of everyone.
No.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so
recipe.
the first step in this recipe is to grease your muffin tin. Okay, so 12 count muffin tin. So grease that, and we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
That's me.
So I'll grease, you preheat.
Preheat. Also, I don't know how I feel about this in baking. This might not be a good baking blouse.
Well, let's be honest, you're probably not gonna do much baking.
Let's be honest.
Kidding. All right.
Not kidding.
So our next step is we're going to mix the dry ingredients.
Okay.
So we're going to add the flour, the pumpkin pie spice, the baking powder, baking soda, and the salt. And if you want to go ahead and whisk that,
I will whisk it.
until it's combined.
I will whisk it. Some people have asked me why I'm always having a cup of tea in our videos. It's because our house is so cold. He keeps it like a meat locker, and so I do this. It like keeps me warm. Your mom agrees. When his mom visits, her and I both freeze.
Both of you guys are probably not the best judge of the temperature in the house. You guys are both always cold.
Always
so.
cold.
All right, so the next step is to mix up our wet ingredients. So we'll go ahead and add our buttermilk. You want to taste the buttermilk?
No, I'm good.
Are you sure?
It's really sweet.
It's not sweet.
Isn't
It's
it
not sweet
sweet?
at all. Are you kidding?
Ugh. Gross.
Yes.
What's the milk that's sweet? Isn't there one that's really
Yeah, like condensed
Condensed
like
milk.
sweetened condensed milk.
Okay.
But no,
Milk.
this is like sour. It's like vinegar.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
But it's good in a recipe.
Okay.
All right, so next we'll add the pumpkin. You want some pumpkin?
No, I don't. I don't
You
want.
learned your lesson.
Yeah.
And we'll add the oil, the brown sugar,
Brown sugar.
Yep.
Getting better.
maple syrup,
Okay.
a lot better.
Lot
One
better.
of my favorites.
Okay,
Actually,
that I would have a little taste of.
I'll taste that too.
That's delicious.
All right, then our egg.
Okay, not gonna try that.
All right,
Okay.
probably smart. Then we'll add the vanilla. All right, so now we're gonna whisk together these wet ingredients.
That's hard to say. Whisk together the wet ingredients.
Whisk is
Whisk wet ingredients.
Whisk is a very hard word for me to say
Whisk.
anyway. I don't know why.
Whisk.
Whisk. Okay, so that's all whisked together.
Good job whisking.
Thank you. So now we're gonna add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And just pour that in. All right, so the next step is to mix this together. Would you like to do the honors?
Yes.
Okay,
I haven't done this in a bit.
I know. So you just turn it on.
This way.
Yep.
Oh
There you go.
God! Oh
All right,
wait,
that's
it starts on.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's how you turn it on. Yeah, there you go.
And
You
then
put
what's
it in
that
there.
button
Put it in.
for? Is that to make it go faster?
Don't have it go faster.
Okay.
You just need a low speed. Here, hold it like that.
Okay. I got it. I got it.
Gosh.
I haven't.
You think you
mixed.
got this for a second?
I do. Why? Where are you going?
Well, I just need to go grab another ingredient real quick.
Okay.
All right. All right, I'll be right back.
Okay. I got this. I think I'm doing it. Right? I'm doing it. Josh! You're lucky this didn't fly everywhere. Ah!
It couldn't be Halloween without one scare.
You're really lucky. I almost threw that. Scared the out of me. Oh my God.
Here, I'll finish mixing.
He's so tickled.
That was a good one. I didn't know if I'd be able to get you very good. Because I like do it like every
so
year.
good.
So oh my gosh. We can just stop the video right now. I'm happy. All right.
I didn't even know you had brought that stuff
I
out.
know, I'm sneaky. I had this planned for like days. All right, here, back to the recipe.
Oh, great.
Okay.
You need a minute. All right.
So our next step is to add the oatmeal. I still can't stop laughing.
Shut up.
All right.
You add the oatmeal.
Add the oatmeal and the chocolate chips. Okay, so now we're just gonna mix this together. Okay. All right, I gotta stop laughing. It's just so funny. All right, that's.
Good Lord.
All right.
All right.
I got the giggles.
You did.
All right, that's fully mixed up.
Okay.
It's great. Muffins are gonna be delicious, I promise. Okay, so the next step is we're going to scoop this batter into the muffin tins.
Okay.
A great way to do that is a 1/4 cup scoop
Okay.
is about the amount you need per muffin tin. So if you just kind of take a, 1/4 cup, about maybe a little bit over,
Okay.
and just put that right in the muffin tin. This way you have like the same size muffins. Which
You like that.
I do like that.
You like that.
I do. All right, we're finished filling the muffin tins. Now we're gonna put them in the oven
Okay.
for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then
Okay.
just do the toothpick test to make sure they're done, but about 20 minutes, check them.
Okay.
All right?
Ah! Just kidding.
Didn't work. All right, we'll see you in about 20 minutes. All right, so the muffins are almost done baking,
The house smells so good.
like really close, and
Did you time that out?
I good, good timing.
He's such a dork.
All right, looking good. Okay, we're gonna take them out. All right, so once you take them out, you just wanna let them cool in the pan for a little bit.
Are you gonna leave the toothpick in your
I
mouth?
might, though.
Okay, baby.
All right, let me put them over here, all right?
Okay, all
I
right.
can't do accents, sorry. All right, so the muffins have cooled enough for us to eat them, so you wanna pick one?
I sure do. I'm taking
Okay.
this guy right there.
I'm gonna take this one.
I'm so excited. I also know what I'm gonna be having for breakfast tomorrow.
These do make great breakfast muffins.
That was so good. I love it.
Just a little bit of sweet, balanced with the pumpkin pie spice. I love it.
It's so good. Good recipe, babe.
I think it's great. Is it okay if my friend had some too?
No, do not bring that back out. Do
He's-
not. I hate that mask.
This will wait to the haunted house.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We were a little rusty, but this was so fun.
It was so much fun. And make sure to check out Baking with Josh and Ange for more recipes, fall, everything.
Yeah.
And have a great week, guys.
Have a great week. Although people drink raw eggs, right?
I don't think
like
you
muscle
should.
guys?
I don't think you're supposed to.
Did you see what I did? I went muscle guys.
Muscle guys, like
don't
what is
know.
that? The shake weight?
I don't know.
You haven't been to a gym in a while, have you? That's
don't-
not how people work out.
I don't know what a gym is.
All right.
Is whisk an onomatopoeia? Is it like the word that sounds like the whisk, 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 whisk?
Whisk. Oh.
I don't know.
I don't know, I guess.
I don't know. All right.
All right. So our next. I can't stop laughing. It's really funny.
You really scared the shit out of me. Why is it so
I
funny?
don't know.
It's
Look
so.